Want to make the speaker volume louder? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can boost your Samsung speaker volume. For this, open up the settings. Here, find the option of sounds and vibrations. Select that. Now you want to tap on the volume option. Here you want to slide it to the fullest. Next you want to tap on these three dots. Tap on media volume limit. Now if it is toggled on, you simply want to slide it to the maximum. Otherwise, you can simply turn this off. Now, to remove any restrictions, go back to Sounds and Vibration page, scroll down and then tap on Sound Quality and Effects. Now, tap Equalizer. Here, you can select Pop, Classic, Jack, Rock, or you can select Custom and then manually adjust this. Now, head back. If the option of Dolby Atmos is there, then you can simply toggle that option on. And in this way, you can make the speaker volume louder. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.